for creating a remote control traffic light system, we have created a Google Firebase project. What we are doing here is we are creating a real-time database. You can see that in this real-time database we have created some object called LEDs. So it will reflect that we want to do those LED. We are like giving command. Say we want to turn on the LED. We have to change the blue LED this to true. So we can use the timer also. Now when we give the timer, it will what we'll do is after the timer finish, that state will be toggle. So we are using this real-time database. So we can change the value from the web page we have built for this. By changing the value, it will control the Arduino digital pin. So those changes will be reflect on the traffic light system using the changes in the Arduino pins. So what we'll do and what we'll do if we set the blue LED status through, then it will turn on the blue LED of the traffic light system, which is Arduino is continuously looking for a variable changes in the Firebase database. And if we detect that change, it will act according to that. So that is the way we are giving command to the Arduino board using this web page. As I mentioned earlier, this is the web page we are using to control the traffic system. If I say I want to turn on the blue LED, I will click it, and you can see this change will be real time reflected on the real time database. You can see that now the blue LED has status has been changed to the true. If I again unclick and save, you can see that it will change according to that. Now you can see that blue LED has been changed to false. This is the way we are going to give them on Arduino. So Arduino will be looking for changes, and if it detect changes, it will act accordingly. So this will be also similar. We will look more into this control in this demonstration. Uh, this is the code behind the LED control web page you saw before. So what we are doing here is this web page contains two parts. One part is script part is from is our JavaScript controlling the functionality, and this part, this body part is the what make the UI elements. So if I go to the UI element first, you can see like I'm creating some element. You can see that this is the first day checkbox for the blue LED. You can see this is for the blue type. In that way, this button which has the same function when it is clicked, and it will call save state function. So then I will go through the how this function is achieved. Uh, this is the first part is actually taken directly from the Firebase. They are given when I am creating a web app. So this is for the just getting access to database. So it takes some JavaScript code from the Firebase website, and those function will be important here for achieving this function. Uh, so we are giving the Firebase database configuration here. So you can see we are getting database URLs for the project IDs and also of things. So then we are using this function, and we are initializing the Firebase connection. So we we are like getting authentication, and then we can change the LED state. So these are initializing interface variable. We can get this data from the database. So This is a function we are using for getting the real-time update and database value. When say Arduino for changes some value, then that value we also will be recreated here. So when we are going to the web page, initially we will load the database value from this function. So when I click the save function, you can see the getting those variables from the web page UI, and then we are using the Firebase set command to save those value in database. That's how we are achieve that control in the web page function. Now let's move on to the Arduino code for that part. This is the Arduino code with uh, this function. First, we are doing the fundamental and information. So we are defining the LED beams. These are the time variable, and we are saving previous state for if there is no change in the previous day. We don't have a proof anything from the after that. These are like setting up everything. Uh, this is a loop we are running the main functionality. It will contain the multi functionality for measuring time. Then we are field fetch data from the Firebase, and it will handle the timeout and delay for 2 seconds for not giving more traffic to the database. So this is for connecting to the Wi-Fi. Is for bridging data. We are using HTTP GET request. So this is the for after that GET request. It's received. We are getting the field from the JSON object, and we are using the free information and for the field, so setting the status of the pins, and this is for the toggle LED reading the color to toggle LED. So if it will happen when timer ends, so this for set timing function we are getting timer here for handling time, and this is one who measure the time and do those calculation, do the time about and other things. This is for the updating when the time is off, so we will resetting and updating with the current state, and time will be rejected. So let's upload the code. You can see we have successfully uploaded the code to the board. Then let's go to the control and control the LED. First, I'm setting the blue, green, and every LED is on position. Then I'm setting timer 10 seconds and 20 seconds for this and 10 seconds for this, and then I'm saying now you will be able to see that they will turn on. You can see every LED turn on after 10 seconds. The blue and red L will be turned off. You can see after 10 seconds this will be turned off automatically. So now you can see in the screen that has updated that those LED are turned on and time are reset. You can see the green LED also turn off, and so if I go into change, see I am giving time for like where it will like turn off for 10 seconds. After that it will toggle. That means after 10 seconds the green LED turn on. Let's see. After second this LED turn on. You can see after a second that the LED turn on, and moreover you can see the timer has been reset and it updating that it turn on. So again, if I turn off the green LED and turn on the blue LED and click save, you can see that the green LED will turn off and blue LED is turned on. That is basically what we have done.